In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and explore trending movies on YouTube. Let's start right on YouTube. If you're on a computer, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a section called Explore. Click that, and then choose Movies from the list underneath. If you're on a phone or tablet, you'll typically find Explore as a tab on the bottom or the top of the app. Tap it, and then select Movies. This takes you to YouTube's dedicated space for film content, where everything is organized so you can quickly see what's popular and what's new. On the Movies page, you'll notice several rows that highlight what's getting attention right now. The Trending section showcases titles that are currently hot with viewers, so it's a great place to discover what people are watching at the moment. Top Movies usually features consistent favorites and bestsellers, while recently released points you to the latest arrivals. Think of these sections as quick shortcuts to finding something worth watching without having to dig through search results. When something catches your eye, click the movie's thumbnail to open its page. Here, you can watch trailers to get a feel for the storyline and tone, and often there are clips or previews to help you decide if it's your style. In some cases, the full movie may be available to watch directly, either free with ads or as a rental or purchase, depending on the title and your region. The movie page will clearly indicate your options before you press play. You can also check the description for details like the synopsis, cast, rating, and runtime, so you know what you're getting into. As you watch, keep an eye on playback settings. You can adjust the video quality, turn on captions if they're available, and manage volume and speed to suit your preferences. If you're exploring trailers and want to compare a few options, simply use your browser's back button or the app's navigation to return to the Movies page and keep browsing. Here's a quick tip to make the most of this feature. YouTube updates its trending movies frequently. What's popular today can shift by tomorrow, especially around major releases or seasonal events. If you like staying current, make it a habit to check back regularly. It's an easy way to discover fresh titles, revisit classics that are making a comeback, and spot new releases as they drop. That's it. You now know how to navigate to Explore, head into Movies, scan the trending, top movies, and recently released sections, and dive into trailers, clips, or full movies when they're available. Enjoy exploring and happy watching.